sambal teras. Feels like she could walk back in any second.
Yeah, I can almost hear her laugh.
She'd tell us to eat before it gets cold.
And then scold us for working too hard.
Flavor she loved too. That's why it tastes even better.
Auntie Jeonggeum, it's delicious.
It's the flavor.
Will we ever be four again?
Thank you, Auntie.
Come again. You're always welcome.
Yes, but there's one more thing I must do.